The BMW Munich plant is the first plant of the BMW Group. It is located in central Munich, right next to the company headquarters, the BMW Museum and the BMW World, next to the Olympic Park and just 10 minutes away from the BMW's Research and Innovation Center. 10,000 associates and about 700 apprentices work here in the plant. Building the car of his dreams right on time for every customer is our common goal. The plant is integrated into the worldwide production network of the BMW Group. Every day more than 1,200 engines and 800 cars are produced. Each of the altogether 5 generations of BMW's 3 Series has been built here, at the most traditional site of the BMW Group. This is how BMW comes into existence. It starts with a coil. It is of course not just some steel sheet, but one that has been chosen carefully for the part that will be made of it, in order to be up to the high quality standards of BMW. First, the coil is unrolled and cut into plates to fit the body part that will be made from this piece of steel. After the cutting, the stacked plates are transported to the press line. Here a plate is drawn into its new shape and processed further. Depending on the part, between 4 and 6 individual production steps are required. A special transportation system moves the plate from one pressing tool to the next. This, for example, is the production of a front hood. The high-precision pressing tools are mainly produced by BMW itself. Again and again, associates check dimensional accuracy and service quality of the parts. From the press shop, the different parts are delivered to the body shop. Here they are combined to form more complex modules. Front and rear sections are welded together with the floor panel of the middle to form the complete underbody. Robots execute spot welding with the utmost precision down to the last millimeter and weld spots with ever-constant precision. Laser eyes are watching the results. Now the body shell is completed with the side frames and roof. It is unique that 12 robots are working together, performing in a cycle time of less than 1 minute. Besides different welding techniques like spot and laser welding, other joining techniques are used in the body shop. In addition, many parts are connected with special glues. Now only attached parts like wing, hatchback and front hood are missing. After a last scrutiny, our car body leaves the body shop and is brought to the paint shop. Before the protective paint can be applied, a pre-treatment of the body in several steps is required. At first, the car body is cleaned thoroughly. After that, it is dipped into a phosphate dilution, which forms a consistent base for further layers of paint. Here, in the so-called cathodic rotation dipping facility, the first layer of paint is applied. The dipping of the complete car body guarantees that coating is attached to all parts, to the body shell as well as to all cavities, which is decisive with regard to corrosion protection. PVC is applied to the underbody and on all seams to keep moisture out. And now color comes into play. First, filler is applied, then the paint according to customer requirements, followed by a layer of clear paint. BMW uses environmentally friendly water-based colors. The paint is charged electrostatically and is therefore drawn to the car body. Paint particles which did not adhere to the car body are filtered from a closed effluent circulation, and the water is purified afterwards. Paint robots make sure that the paint is evenly spread on all surfaces. The robots work together in teams. Finally, the car body is transported through several drying chambers. Only this baking process provides the paint with the necessary strengths and resistance against environmental influences and damage. At the paint finish area, the surface is checked thoroughly. The quality of the paint layer is checked with a special measuring device down to the 1,000th part of a millimeter. Our titanium silver-colored car body stays in the high rack warehouse until it is requested for by the assembly for a customer order.